Cloud remains over the eastern part of the country with a mostly cloudy end to the work week, particularly for KwaZulu-Natal and the Mpumalanga Lowveld. We've also seen a few thundershowers forming over the eastern interior in the afternoon. And on our satellite, you'll see a large amount of tropical moisture moving in from the northwest, even resulting in a few showers over parts of the northern Cape. And then lastly, you'll see a band of fog moving in along the west coast. Now that fog remains in the forecast all the way through to Saturday, with a partly cloudy and dry day over the southern part of South Africa. It'll be a typical summer's day with warm to hot maximum temperatures and then isolated afternoon and evening thundershowers over much of the interior. Here's a look at your weather forecast in detail across South Africa on Saturday, with a partly cloudy and warm day along the KwaZulu-Natal coast. Maximums will peak in the upper 20s and low 30s over the interior part of KwaZulu-Natal, all with the possibility of isolated thundershowers. We're also expecting thundershowers mainly over the interior part of the Eastern Cape, with a hot day with daytime highs in the low 30s, dry along the coast though with a high of around 25, and Grahamstown can expect a maximum of 30 degrees, with the possibility of thundershowers still for Graaff-Reinet at 34, but with a dry forecast for Beaufort West of that same maximum temperature. Partly cloudy and warm along the south coast with daytime highs in the mid-20s, still hot for the Cape Islands with maximums in the low 30s, partly cloudy for Cape Town at 24 degrees, and Hermanus and Langebaan can expect a high of 23. Here's that band of thundershowers starting to move in from the northwest. Springbok topping 28 degrees, Uppington 10 degrees above that, and in Pietersburg we're forecasting a high of 34. You'll see a fair amount of rain in the forecast with that band of thundershowers, and we're expecting isolated thundershowers through to the Free State, 33 degrees for Welkom and Bloemfontein. A similar day for the northwest with maximums in the low 30s and the possibility of isolated thundershowers. A chance of rain spills over into the southern part of Limpopo. However, things remain dry for Polokwane with a daytime high of 26. Skukuza 32, Bombela 26 with a mostly cloudy day and thundershowers. We're also expecting daytime highs in the mid-20s for the Mpumalanga Highveld and the possibility of isolated thundershowers. A similar day for Gauteng, Pretoria tops 30 degrees with the rest of the maximums in the upper 20s and isolated thundershowers in the forecast. A light to moderate northwesterly onshore flow is forecast along the west coast with a moderate to fresh northeasterly wind along the east coast and quite a windy day over the western and southern interior. On Sunday, we're expecting thundershowers mainly over the eastern part of South Africa, with a chance of rain along the coast from George all the way through to Richards Bay for Sunday as well as Monday. And then on Monday, you'll see a hot day over the interior with maximums in the low 30s and a mostly cloudy day with the possibility of thundershowers. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a great weekend.